In today's video, I'm going to show you a quick trick on how to create on-demand checkboxes here in Google Sheets. So you have your to-do list right here and you have your checkboxes before them. Now you'll see that my example to-do list is not complete, and what I want to do is to let these checkboxes appear only when I've added something on the list. So how are we going to do that? We're going to create it with conditional formatting. What you're going to do first is to select this cell right here, go to Format, and select Conditional Formatting. Once you have your conditional format rules on the right, you're going to add to your range C3 until just C, so we're selecting the entire range from C3 down. Next one would be to apply our format rule, which will be a custom formula is. So we're going to scroll right down to the bottom and select Custom Formula is. And now we enter our formula. Now our formula for this one would be that if this one is filled, then the checkboxes will appear, but if it's empty, then it will be formatted into a different color. So that's what we're doing. We're going to enter a formula, which will be D3 right here equals D3. If D3 is equals to a blank, then the checkboxes will be formatted into this color. So to make it invisible, we're going to turn them to white, and our text color will also be white. And now they've disappeared. We're going to click on done, and that's finished. Now, if I add something to my list, let's say I remember the task that I should do, which would be cook dinner, press enter, our checkbox will appear on the left. Now you can still check these and say that they're done. But if you do check on a blank one, it will give you a heads up that you may have clicked on a checkbox that is not visible. Toggle anyway. Let's cancel that. Now let's prevent this pop-up from happening. Let's go back to our formula and change something with our color. Let's just change one of the colors right here. Now we're just going to turn this into a custom white color. So it's still going to be white, but maybe an off-white. So we're going to change that code into something else, creating a white of some sort. So we just had a tweak on our RGB color where it's 255, 255, and then 254. So it's still white, but maybe not really. So if we click on OK, click on done, and we try and click here, it won't give us the heads up anymore. But still, if we add something to our list, let's say put the kids to sleep. And if we press enter, there we have our checkbox. So that's how to create on-demand checkboxes in Google Sheets, a quick hack that you might want to try out for yourselves. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, do leave a like and subscribe for more helpful videos. See you on the next one.